I'm diving into the future to predict how property will be booming in 2025, despite all the uncertainty. Let's see if my predictions hold up. The property market is always a hot topic, and with the current economic landscape, many are wondering what's in store for 2025 and beyond. Economic factors such as inflation and recession fears are creating uncertainty, which can deter investors from putting their money into property. Interest rates are also a major factor, as they can greatly impact the affordability of homes and the overall demand for housing. Market volatility is another concern, as it can make it difficult to predict what will happen in the short term. The volatility can lead to fluctuations in housing prices, making it challenging for investors to make informed decisions. These economic factors are having a ripple effect on the property market, causing many to question whether it's a good time to invest. The rising interest rates are making mortgages more expensive, which can reduce demand and slow down the market. Furthermore, the uncertainty surrounding the economy is causing many potential home buyers to wait and see what happens before making a decision. This wait and see approach can lead to a decrease in sales, which can have a negative impact on the market. Also, you notice that in the last budget, the UK government increased stamp duty to 5% for investors. So this is another deterrent for investors to invest. It's another cost on their investment. Despite these challenges, there are still many reasons to believe that property will boom in 2025. Demographic shifts, such as the growing numbers of millennials looking to buy homes, will likely drive up demand for housing. Urbanisation trends are also expected to continue, with more people moving to cities and looking for homes. Potential government policies, such as tax incentives for home buyers, could also have a positive impact on the market. The combination of these factors will likely lead to an increase in demand for housing, which can drive up prices and create a booming market. Government policies aimed at supporting first-time buyers can also help to stimulate the market. As the economy continues to grow, more people will have the financial means to invest in real estate, which can lead to a surge in demand. A key trend that supports the argument for a booming property market in 2025 is the growing demand for sustainable and eco-friendly homes. Many home buyers are willing to pay a premium for homes that are energy efficient and environmentally friendly. This trend is expected to continue, with more and more home buyers looking for homes that align with their values. The data also shows that home prices have been steadily increasing over the past few years, with no signs of slowing down. Well, it makes sense, because the cost of construction has gone up more than the rate of inflation. So to buy a plot of land and build a house today is going to cost dramatically more than if you bought the same plot of land and constructed it 10 years ago. The growth in home prices, combined with the growing demand for housing, suggests that the property market is poised for a boom in 2025. Many experts also agree that the current uncertainty in the market is creating a buying opportunity for investors who are willing to take a chance. The potential for long-term growth in the property market makes it an attractive option for those looking to invest. Another factor that supports the argument for a booming property market in 2025 is the limited supply of homes in many areas. This limited supply can drive up prices and create a competitive market where buyers are willing to pay a premium for a home. The growing demand for housing, combined with the limited supply, can create a perfect storm that leads to a booming market. The key points to take away are that despite the current uncertainties in the property market, there are many factors that suggest there will be a boom in 2025. From demographic shifts to governmental policies, there are many trends and data points that support this argument. In summary, the potential for property growth in 2025 is substantial, driven by factors such as demographic shifts, urbanisation trends, and potential government policies. Let me know what you think about the future of property in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos on investment strategies for 2025. If you'd like to speak to me about any of the things that you've heard or seen in this video, don't hesitate to contact me. That's Alan on 07539 141 257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539 141 257. or 0333 224 1257. From outside the UK, that's +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email to alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.